In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to landscape in Microsoft Word, whether you're preparing a report, creating a brochure, or simply wanting to give your document a fresh new look. Changing the orientation to landscape can give you that extra width for incorporating larger tables or images. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily achieve this in just a few minutes using Microsoft Office Online. First, if you haven't already done so, open your web browser and head over to the free Microsoft 365 Online. This fantastic tool allows you to use Microsoft Word and the rest of the Office suite directly in your web browser without needing to install additional software on your computer. It's perfect for working on the go as long as you have an internet connection. Once you have reached the Microsoft 365 homepage, look for the Sign In button and click on it. This step will require you to log in using your Microsoft account. If you don't yet have an account, you can quickly create one to get started. Having an account not only gives you access to Word, but also other powerful Office applications. After you're signed in, locate and select the Word application icon. This icon is typically found on the main dashboard or menu screen. Clicking on Word will open the application, ready for you to start a new document or modify an existing one. Now, with Microsoft Word open, you should see options to open a blank document or select a recent one to work on. Choose the document where you want to change the page orientation or start fresh with a new one. This is where the magic will happen. Once your document is open, navigate to the top of the window where you'll find the toolbar. Look for the Layout tab on this toolbar and click on it. The Layout tab houses all sorts of options concerned with your document's appearance, including margins, orientation, and more. Within the Layout tab, find the Orientation option. Orientation settings allow you to switch between portrait and landscape layouts. Click on Orientation and it will show you a drop-down menu. Now from this drop-down menu, you simply need to select Landscape. Clicking on this option will immediately switch your document's layout to landscape mode, giving you a wider page layout to work with. It's as simple as that, and there you have it. Your document is now in landscape orientation. You can now take full advantage of this wider layout. Whether you need more space for images, tables, or text, this small change makes a big difference. Enjoy the new look of your document and continue editing as needed. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.